If you're looking for the ultimate fall day trip in upstate New York, this is it.
Burrville Cider Mill is open.
Hey everyone, it's my birthday today, August 31st, and what better way to celebrate than Burrville Cider Mill? They're only open seasonally, usually late August through Thanksgiving, but they're open today. There it is, the famous Burrville Cider Mill sign, built back in 1801. It's got so much history. And look at these gorgeous fall displays, pumpkins everywhere, beautiful flowers, total autumn vibes, perfect birthday scenery. This is so touching. Andy walks with me and he talks with me, dedicated to Tina Steiner's 1972 to 2018. Really adds heart to the place. And check out these huge crates of apples. Each one is labeled with a variety and the best uses, like snacking or perfect for baking. Some cute metal wall art for sale, and oh, these red apples are stunning. Definitely using this shot for a thumbnail. Now heading to the best part, the waterfalls. Right on the north branch of Sandy Creek, powered the mill historically. Listen to that water, so peaceful and beautiful. Birthday wish granted. Whoa, look at this line. It's busy. Inside, tons of products. Fresh cider, donuts, fudge, pies, local goodies. Smells incredible in here. The line moves fast though. Employees are hustling. Love this giant lollipop display. So fun. Oh yeah, watch this. Fresh frosting on a warm cinnamon roll. Could be my birthday treat. And right at the exit, pies, cookies, more temptations. What a perfect birthday spot. Thanks for watching my birthday vlog. Hit like if you visit, subscribe for more, and tell me your favorite fall treat in the comments.